The PowerXL Duo NutriSealer has many ways to help you keep your food fresher longer. In this video, you'll learn how to vacuum seal with the containers you may have received or purchased for your PowerXL Duo NutriSealer. For using the containers, you'll need to construct the vacuum tube attachment. Place the end of the vacuum tube into the sealer cup and add the ring. You do not need to use the sealer cap. Place the other end of the vacuum tube into the vacuum port on the inside of the appliance. Place the lid on top of the container and press the sides down firmly to click close. Firmly place the vacuum tube accessory over the air valve on the container. Press the vacuum only button. Sealing is complete when the indicator light goes off. When sealed properly, the orange button in the middle will be retracted down. When the container is opened, this button will pop up, indicating it's no longer vacuum sealed. The containers allow you to keep track of the date that you vacuum sealed your food. Now you are ready to use your food storage containers. For more information, please go to PowerXLDuo.com.
PowerXL. Life keeps you busy. We help you excel.